Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for nice compliment. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern step by step. I'm gonna make a very small model to show you. It's super easy, super fast. You can learn easy this pattern. So this I already made it. I will show you very small like this multiple 6. I'm gonna make with this is I made 24 stitches. So for this model I'm gonna show you just with 18 stitches. So I hope you will love this pattern. It's super fast, super quick. So let's start. I'm gonna show you beautiful pattern and easy for beginner as well and super fast. 1 2 3. So this also multiple make multiple 6. It's multiple 3, but you have to make 6. Okay, I have 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So this is 18. So make here in third, okay, single crochet. I'm gonna show you very small pattern. Don't want to make big long video. So then make chain 3. I'm gonna make knot here 1 2 and third. Okay, make in third, last loop on the hook, make another one, last loop on the hook, then complete, then make chain 1, again same place, complete. So like this, 1 2 and third, last loop on the hook, complete, chain 1, last loop on the hook, one 2 and third, and make complete, chain 1, same space. This pattern will go multiple, it's multiple 3, but it will go in one row with single crochet, one row like this, 1 2, complete, make chain 1, complete, 2 in third, make in third, complete, chain 1, make chain one, then I have 2 stitches. I'm gonna make this last one like this. Chain one. So I'm gonna make here single crochet, make each stitch, okay, sorry, chain one, then here one in the middle where I made chain one, there, then here make here in the middle, here, in the middle, then here, in the middle, those, middle, here again. So this is one row with single crochet with this pattern. Make chain 3. So this time just I'm gonna make in this cup here. Make belong, chain 1 again. In the middle, chain 1, close, chain 1, closed, then at the end make so brilliant pattern. So I'm gonna make again single crochet row here in the middle, last one. So viewer, I hope you will enjoy this pattern. It's so pretty, so good pattern. So it's easy. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my model, my pattern I made like this. It's so beautiful pattern. Whatever you want to make, it's pretty good for baby blanket. You can make with this pattern so many things. It's super fast, super easy. I hope you will love this pattern. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment.